classy ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing hair lace front review for you guys, and the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Alipearl hair, and the color is a pink color. So I'm going to just unbox this with you guys. This is the box that it came in, and it kind of show you like the care for it and how to maintain the wig on the back below, which I love that it has that. And yeah, this is the box that it came in, pretty in pink. So I'm just going to remove the tape there, and this is the actual wig here. The color is supposed to be like a rose gold pink color, and the body, and the pattern of the wig is supposed to be body wave. So as you can see, this is the pattern of the wig. I'm going to take it out of the packaging, but first I just want to show you everything that comes in the box. So you have the wig itself, then it comes with a wig cap, which is in like a tan color, which I like, and then it also comes with a Alipearl headband that you can wrap for your edges, which I also really love, and it's in the color pink as well, as you can see. And then comes with also a band that you can attach to the wig so it can fit more snug. I think I may have to cut this because my head is a little bit on the smaller side, so I will be cutting that before I sew it onto the wig. And then comes with a bag for your wig so you can keep your wig protected, and it has on there that it's 100% human hair, unprocessed human hair, and the bag is also the same color as the headband, so that's pretty cool. And then the last thing it has is a card with the name of the company, Alipearl Hair, and then it says human hair wigs. And then on the back it kind of just like give you more instructions on how to wash the wig, clean it, take care of it, comb it, and dry it. So I really love the packaging. I think the packaging is amazing, and everything that it comes in there is like a bonus to help you install your hair. So I love the fact that it has that. And then I'm just going to give you a little bit more details of what exactly the hair is. So the cap size is so small because, like I said, my head is on the smaller side. The hair density is 180%, and the lace itself is a 13x4. So now I'm going to just remove this and then take it out of the packaging so you guys can see exactly how it looks outside of the package. And this is my first time purchasing from Alipearl hair. I did some research on it and I seen some nice reviews, so I decided to purchase from them, and their pricing is pretty affordable, so that's another reason why I purchased from them. So this is the inside of the cap, As you can see, it comes with 3 combs in the back. It has a little bit of adjustable straps there. In here, it's a little bit of lace. I do want to put this wig in a ponytail, so I'm not quite sure if this is going to hold the back really well, but we will see. So yeah, this is the inside of the wig with the 3 combs, and then this is the lace. Comes with a lot of lace, so I love that. I think that it will look really good on the natural side because of all of the lace, the length of the lace. And like I said, this is a size small. This wig also comes with baby hairs. I don't know if I'll be cutting off the baby hairs or using them, but it does come with baby hairs. And the lace is a transparent lace. It is on the brighter side, so I will be tinting this lace to try to give it a more realistic color to match my scalp. As you can see, this is the hairline there. Okay, another thing is that they try to make some baby hairs in the back, and I don't quite like that because it doesn't seem natural. Like, the baby hairs are really short and they're straight instead of curled or a little bit longer. So that's one thing I don't really like about this wig. But other than that, everything looks good. I'm gonna turn it back over and kind of show you guys the actual pattern of the wig. Now, this is supposed to be 180 density. So in my opinion, I think it should be a little bit thicker. It doesn't really seem like 180 density here. It seems really thick here by the cap area, but when it comes down to the ends, it doesn't quite seem like it's 180 degrees. But I love the wig pattern, like the wave pattern of this wig. I love that. It is a body wave pattern, so I love the curls, and it's also extremely soft, and it has a nice little shine to it. The shine is really pretty. It's supposed to be a rose gold pink. I am going to watercolor this. I know it's already dyed, but I'm going to watercolor this to kind of give it a more darker rose gold color, just because it's really bright. It doesn't seem bright on camera, but in person it's a really bright pink. So I kind of want to tone this pink down, and so I will be watercoloring, adding a little bit of honey brown to this to kind of tone it down and make it look more of a darker rose pink color. Also, I don't think I told how many inches. This is a 24 inch. I'm going to link the exact wig in my description so you guys can see exactly which wig it is. Yeah, so this one is just an unboxing. I'm not going to be doing anything in this video. Just main thing is just to show you guys the actual wig itself. Also, I'm going to put the wig on a mannequin just so you guys can see how it looks on a mannequin. Okay, so yeah, I love this wig. It doesn't have a smell to it. Very soft. You can run your fingers through it, which I love. Very pretty. Okay, so yeah, let me put it on the mannequin so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is the wig. This is how it looks on the mannequin. As you can tell, this pink color is extremely bright. It's supposed to be a pink rose gold, but it's a really bright color. So I will be dyeing this wig to kind of tone it down. This is the back here. As you can see, this is the wave pattern. I'm going to also be washing it. Not much shedding, so I like that. It is very frizzy, so I will be adding some serum or oil to it to kind of give that frizz, to kind of, you know, tone down this frizz, because it is really frizzy, and this is straight out of the box here, as you can see. So it has, nothing has been done to it, so I am going to style it and customize it. So that's it. I love the wave pattern. Very pretty. I'm going to bring it down so you guys can see the wave pattern. This is the full wave pattern here. As you can see, it is frizzy, so I'm going to just add some shine to it. It's really shiny already, but I'm going to, you see that frizz there? I want to get rid of that frizz, so I'll be washing it and styling it. But overall, look at the wave pattern. It's so beautiful. I love that. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know about, would you guys get this color? Also, I'm going to show you guys the width, like the cap part, the width part of the wig, so you guys can get a close-up. This is the width part of the wig, so you guys can see how it is sewed onto the cap. And that's how it looks there. So like I said, overall, very nice shiny wig. Okay, so that's my unboxing for you guys. I also will be posting more videos on this wig, on how I watercolor it, how I trim the lace and tint the lace and everything like that. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned so you guys can see how exactly I customize this wig. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, give this video some likes, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.